All right. Good day, everyone out there. I don't know whether it is afternoon, morning, or night, whatever the timing it is. Yes, my name is Ajenla, the son of Obatala. You know, I don't often do this. I don't do this. I don't have time for this. But I believe people are out there that needed me for enlightenment, and I have to do it for them. I know somebody is saying that I should change my name from Ajenla. Orúkọ tó bá wọn ọmọ ló lè jẹ́, orúkọ tó bá wọn bàbá ló lè sọ ọmọ. Ohun mi, ó lè sọ pé mo fẹ́ máa bórìṣà lájọ orúkọ, ṣé bàbá mi ni? Tí máa bàbá mi jórúkọ, kò sí wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀, ṣé bàbá tèmi ni? I can decide that I want to be bearing Obatala because he is my father. Since I have my earthly father, I'm bearing his name, so nothing is stopping me from bearing Obatala's name as my son name. Right? He's my father. Alright, that aside, that being said, now, I want you to know that every Orisha has their symbols. Every Orisha has something that resonates with their frequency and vibration. They have their symbols. I want to take my time to talk one by one because of people who are in the diaspora. They could help me very well, Now, there is this argument online that says Ifa is not IKin. And someone is saying this Ola Onipekun, whatever, I don't know your name, saying that Ifa IKin is the app. See, stop misleading people. Right? Stop misleading people. If you don't have knowledge, you don't have insight, you don't have the idea of what you want to say, it is better for you to shut the fuck up. Right? I didn't come here to fight anyone, okay? So I'm not going to use an abusive word on anyone. Right? Now, every Orisha has their symbols. Believe me, they all have symbols. IKin is a symbol that is associated with Ifa. IKin is a symbol associated with what? Ifa. Okuta, stone, is a symbol associated with Eshu. It's a symbol. It doesn't mean that anybody can carry stone and make offerings to it. No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying anybody can go to the market to buy palm nut or whatever, IKin, and start and say it is Ifa. No, I'm not saying that. Water is associated with Oshun. You are drinking water, I'm drinking water. Doesn't mean that we are drinking Oshun. No. Every Orisha has their frequency, right? Ifa symbols is IKin. When you make sacrifice to your IKin, you are making sacrifice to your own franchise of Ifa. Right? I don't want to talk on Ifa because I'm not an Ifa person to say. I represent Obatala, so I don't want to talk on Ifa much. But I see that those who call themselves Ifa this, Ifa that, don't even have an idea on what Ifa is all about. So there's so much confusion, and I don't want to add more confusion to your confusion. So I don't want to talk about it. But when I see you guys making a lot of mistake, it is my duty to come and tell you, no, what you are doing is not right. Are you feeling me? Yes. You see, IKin is a symbol of Ifa. So, I had somebody, Ola Onipekun or whatever, that said IKin is the app. So, when you are feeding your Ifa, when you are feeding IKin, you don't have to dissociate IKin with Ifa. IKin is known with Ifa. You don't have to cut the relationship. Right? Stone is known with Eshu. You don't have to say, no, I have explained that before this, what I'm saying now. So, when you are initiated into Ifa or Batala or whatever, you have your own copy, like a franchise, your own energy from that Orisha that is given to you. That energy will change to your aura. It will be added to your aura. The energy surrounding you, that energy will be there as a signature from that Orisha. So anyone that sees you will see the energy of that Orisha all around you. So when you make sacrifice to that Orisha, you make sacrifice to your Ifa, it renews the energy that is all around you. So don't differentiate. Ikin is not Ifa. Ifa is not Ikin. My dear, you are a dullard. You don't go to school, man. You are not educated. Get the fuck up, man. Get education, man.